In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in ActiveCampaign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a fully published landing page that you can start sending traffic to right away. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a menu with different sections. Find and click on the one labeled Website. This is where ActiveCampaign keeps all of your web-related tools, including landing pages. Once you're inside the website area, navigate to the section labeled Pages. This is essentially your landing page library. If this is your first time, it may be empty, and that's completely fine. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a blue button that says Add a new page. Go ahead and click that. This is what starts the process of creating your new landing page. After you click to add a new page, ActiveCampaign will show you a collection of templates. These templates are pre-designed layouts you can use as a starting point, which saves you from building everything from scratch. Take a few moments to scroll through and find a layout that matches your goal, whether that's collecting email signups, promoting a product, or sharing a simple announcement. When you've found a template you like, move your mouse over it. You'll see an option appear that says Use this template. Click that option to select it. ActiveCampaign will then ask you to enter a name for your page. This name is mostly for your internal organization, so choose something that clearly describes the purpose of the page, like webinar registration or lead magnet opt-in. Once you've typed in the name, click Save to confirm. You'll now be taken into the page editor where you can customize the design, text, images, and forms. Take your time here to adjust the content so it fits your brand and message. You can usually click directly on any text or image to change it, and there are options to add or remove blocks as needed. When you're satisfied with the design and everything looks the way you want, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish Page. A final confirmation window will appear. Review any details shown there, and when you're ready to make the page live, click Publish one more time. Your landing page is now live and ready to share.